You can have all of your desires overnight, literally overnight. So, in this video, we are going to talk about sets and how you can achieve all of your desires through sets. So, first thing first is you have to reprogram your mind, you have to shift your mindset in order to achieve all of our desires overnight. So we are going to use the technique called sets. So through this, we are going to achieve all of our desires. So sets is basically a manifestation technique which is provided by Neville Goddard, who is the master of manifestation. So he tell us the technique of sets, which is simply when you are going to sleep, your subconscious mind is so powerful at the time, at the night time when you are sleeping. So at that time, you have to think positive. You have to think about your desires in order to reprogram your mind to think that you're already living your dream life. You already have all of your desires at the night time. So for doing the sets when you're going to sleep, you're going to think about your desire. For example, if your desire is to get 1,000 subscribers or to get monetized overnight, you have to lay down to the bed. You have to, put some subliminals. I use subliminals personally, but if you don't want subliminals, then you cannot listen to the subliminals. It's all up to you, but you have to, when you lay down on the bed, when you close all the distractions, and when you lay down, you have to think about your desire. You have to create a 5 second video in your mind about your desire you have achieved and what you're going to do with your desire when you achieve that thing. For example, if you if you want some money to buy your new car or to buy your house, so you have to lay down to the bed and you have to think 5 seconds for 5 seconds a video that you are entering into your dream house and it is so big and beautiful and you love being here and you see all of the house in 5 second video. You have to see it in your mind when you lay down. Or for example, if your goal or desire is to get pretty, so when you lay down at the bed, you have to think about the beautiful version of yourself walking or eating something, and you have to create a 5 second video of yourself being so beautiful, and you have to again and again see that video in your mind again and again for 5 seconds. You have to create that video, and when you're doing this, it helps you to also go sleep faster, but you have to first stop sleeping and see that thing. It is also called visualization, but visualization is kind of different and sex is kind of different. So you have, when you're like laying down and when you see 5 second video of your desire again and again, and when you're doing this process, you're going to sleep and you didn't even know that you have sleep. And next day when you wake up, you feel so good, and you have to act like you already have that desire. You act like you already are so beautiful, or any of the desire that you have to think that you already have this, and you have to carry that energy throughout the day, that you have everything, that you have your desire, that you have the beauty that you want to have. And another day when you are going to sleep, you have to do the same method called sets. You have to lay down, you have to play the 5 second video of yourself in your mind, and through doing this method, you are going to sleep. You are going to repeat this process again and again when you achieve your dream life. If your sex is so powerful, you can achieve your desire overnight. But if you don't know how to do sex and you're a beginner to doing sex, so it's going to take some time for you to achieve your goal, to achieve your desire. So don't quit, don't think that sex is not for us and it's not good, and like that kind of negative things. uh, do that again and again until you have your desire. So you can do sets overnight. You can do sets at night or at daytime, but I recommend you to do at night time, because At the night time, your subconscious mind is so powerful, and it is going to reprogram your mind to achieve and to think that you already have your desire. So I use personally subliminals when I am going to sleep. It helps us to radiate and to go in a higher frequency, in a higher vibration. So if you want to use subliminals while you are doing sets, you can use music, or you can use subliminals to foster your higher vibration. So guys, I'm gonna tell you my success story through sets recently that I experienced. And the thing is that I ordered a parcel of something, like something mic and something for YouTube, and I ordered the parcel, and I am so excited for the parcel to come, and I know that it will come. But the thing is that I was so excited and I want that parcel right now, not right now, but at a time I want that parcel. But the day that is showing me that my parcel will arrive after 2 days. The parcel of mine will arrive at 15, but I want that parcel in on the date of 13th Feb, and the parcel that is going to come to me was 14th Feb. So I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait for 2 days to let my parcel come to me. So it was like I have a feeling. I have a feeling that my parcel will come today. At 13th Feb, I have the feeling that my parcel will come today. My parcel will come to me today, and I am kind of affirming this sentence into my head again and again. And the time at the evening, I was laying in the bed. I was half sleepy and half wake up, and I was thinking about the parcel constantly. And I have image, or you can say a video in my head, in my mind, that my doorbell is now ringing and the parcel man is coming, and they are going to say my name, and they're going to tell that, ma'am, your parcel is here and you gotta take it. So I am thinking that a video that it's not like 5-second video, but it's like 10 to 15-second video in my head that is constantly repeating about the parcel that I want to receive. So I was thinking that at my doorstep, a man is going to come and is going to say, ma'am, your parcel has come and you're going to take it. So I was in a so sleepy, way that I will sleep in 1 minute, and I was so in a situation when literally my mind is like constantly repeating that video again and again, and I was totally asleep. But at the time when at that time, literally on 13th Feb, at the time when I was thinking, my doorbell was ring, and and when I go to the door, the man, the postman said to me, "Ma'am, this is your parcel. You gotta sign it." And I was like, "Literally, it's my parcel?" And he was like, "Yeah, this is your parcel." And I take the parcel from him, and I came inside my room, and I was so happy that literally on the app it shows me that my parcel will come after 2 days, but because I was kind of doing sets, my parcel comes today. At the time I was just thinking about that constantly, and there is my parcel. So I ordered it, and I was so happy about my parcel that I got received, that I was so excited about. And I was so excited that now I have something to make videos on, and now I'm so excited. So literally for that reason, I say to you that sex is real. Your thoughts create your life, and it is going to help you to achieve your desires constantly. So if you're like me and if you believe in manifestation, I recommend you to try these sets about your favorite. Even though if you wanna do like I did, if you wanna want your parcel right now, do that sets technique that I tell you, and your parcel will come will come. So it's all up to you. What desire do you want through sets, and which things do you wanna achieve through sets? So I know this video will help you and will help you to achieve your desires. So if you found this video helpful, then comment below and comment below about your desires that you're going to achieve through sets. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.